the day is chon. Chon. Drink means chon in Kashmiri. For I am drinking tea, you would say Bchas chai chawan. Bchas chai chawan, feminine, or Buchus chai chawan. Buchus chai chawan. For I drank tea, meche chai, both feminine and masculine. Meche chai. For I will drink tea, bcham chai. Bcham chai, both masculine and feminine. I was drinking tea, b'ursus chai chawan. B'ursus chai chawan, or b'osus chai chawan. B'osus chai chawan. Ursus feminine, osus masculine. Thank you.